Hello, hello, hello. Mic test. Cool. Hey everyone. Uh, Long time. We'll wait for people. Mhm. If anyone is new to the channel, please feel free to refer the article on the right. But if you guys are new or old, hey, welcome. It's been a while. Mostly I'll be taking any questions if anyone has any questions, right? And yeah, if you guys are new, please feel free to message in the chat. Mhm. Okay, code forces and con- Hey, hi, car lover. Are you old or new? I don't remember you really, but do you remember me? No, sorry, but I will remember you now because you are the first person who joined the list. I've done that after a long. It's been a long. Yes, I remember. How's your health, brother? Bro, I am on vacation and I am not in India. I was working since morning. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, yeah. Started very early. Started at 8 a.m. That's why. So I want to ask you guys one question. Is there any change in the stream or when you watch the stream? Anything different that you see? For some reason, I think the new video that I posted, it did not reach out to many people. Uh, it might be the reason of the location. Is this live will be saved? Yeah, yeah, all the lives will be saved. These are all the lives are there only. And mostly anyway, you don't have to watch it again, brother. It would be mostly me talking, so that's fine. You don't have to really rewatch it. You can join in another in the next stream. That's totally fine. On your live, you will see a lot of screens. What do you mean? What do you mean? I did not understand what you. I can only see one screen. Okay, I did what you mean, but still I can see only one screen. What do you mean, bro? Car lover. You will get, I mean, just go to YouTube, open your own live, mute the voice for 10 seconds to 20 seconds. Why, bro? What do you mean? Like, what is the use of doing full screen? Okay, I'm gonna ignore you, brother. Bro, ping me on LinkedIn. What do you mean? I am not able to understand you. Bro, I want to move. Bullshit. No worries, nothing to be sorry about. Just so I can answer your question, Rahul Raj. Hi, bro. I want to move out of front end. There are no jobs in front end. Find. Can you guide me? Yes, sure. So just before I guide you, Rahul, are you there? Just let me know that, so that if I speak, that should not be the waste of your time, neither my time, right? Just put a yes in the comment that yes, you are hearing. Rahul Raj, this is for you. Yep, cool. So see, bro. First of all, I agree with you. There are less jobs in front end role, right? I do agree with that. Now, my advice to you would be that you have to start, first of all, two things, right? First, start taking up extra work in your current job as a backend engineer, right? You'll have to commit to both, right? First of all, that because you have 3 years of experience, right? So always there is more backend work, right? In my previous team, there were like team of 50 engineers, and out of that, what you say, out of 50 engineers, 40 were backend engineers, right? So there is always a demand for backend work, right? First you do that and you build a little bit of backend experience, right? So now then you pitch that you are a full stack engineer, right? Because you have worked in backend and also so that's how you start applying. If you say that you're a front end engineer, no one is going to hire you unless you're applying for a front end role. So that would be my, it will take 1 month or 2 months and you'll have to pick. So in your company, there would be a backend language, right? Pick that language itself so that you can see a bigger code base. Like if I say that you pick a language which is not there in your current company, then you'll have to build your own project, right? But that will take more time. Let me know if you're hearing, Rahul. Rahul, you are able to hear? Rahul Raj. Mic check for Rahul Raj. Let me know what I just told makes any sense to you. Yeah, made sense? Cool. Feel free to like this stream if you find it helpful. It's been a while. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, uh, not wanna open this, go ahead watch some videos that will tell you more who I am other than listening to me, my bullshit, right? First watch those and then we do live every day. Not every day, sorry. We used to do live every day if you go back. Now it's on and off. So yeah, I am lost right now what to do even you have everything. Badger X6. So you need to just fix your mentality. That's it. If you have everything, then why you are lost? Absolute different. You are given three integer nums and you find the absolute difference between the sum of k largest elements and the sum of k smallest element. So you sort the array, right? And k largest and k smallest, right? So for int I is equal plus small the 5 for int equal to -1 I greater than equal to Uh, nums dot length minus 1 minus k I minus minus large plus equal to nums of I. Right. Return math dot absolute of. We don't need to do absolute. Let's do all. Uh, and small is equal to 0 and large is. Are there not k elements? K is always less than equal to n. So probably here I just have to do this then. 5 0. Yeah, I'm doing DSA after a long time, so I might be making a lot of silly mistakes. You can ignore that, okay? No, I'm not working, got laid off, I'm applying to jobs. And can you suggest me which language? I would say go with Golang, bro. What languages do you know, Rahul Raj? Tell me that first. How to write down I solved. Hey, hi, Jatin OP. What's up? Hey, Jatin OP. Long time. Bro, if you're in fourth year, bro, try to first aim for full-time placement. That is more important. Internship is fine. Try to first focus for full-time. I know JavaScript. JavaScript is not a backend language, bro. Backend language, you can either pick Java or Golang or C Sharp. Like, choose one which you use more DSA in. Our Telegram group is really dead. Bro, if you guys have any doubts, feel free to ask. Did I not reply to? Okay, got it. Where I was lost, got the direction just by your accent thing. I did not get it. I don't even understand, bro, how to pronounce your username, Pyrages. In the Jan Feb Marches will off campus hiring peak. I have 8 LPO job. I'm looking for better, but in the same city. That is the problem. Bro, I have no idea when the market will boom off. Like, you should keep applying all the time. But yeah, I do see a lot of people making a switch in that time. So probably in January, usually there would be a case that there would be. Hey, Jatin OP, you are still there? I want to ask you one thing. Let me know if you're still there. You're still there, let me know. Just put a K in the chat. Yeah. So for some reason, right, I'm not in India as of now. I uploaded this video, but it seems to that it never went to people's homepage because generally these are not the number of views that I get for system. It at least 500 plus, right? Because no one really wants to learn. Everyone wants to see offer videos. So now you tell me, did you get a notification or did this video came to your homepage? Or that's fine anyway. Just wanted to check if there is some algorithm issue because I'm in not in India, so this is not going to Indian audience, but my audience is Indian. Yeah, and that's the issue, right? You did not get. Why did you not get this? Yeah, that's cool. Just wanted to check. Probably I will upload less videos then, but you got a notification for this live, right? Yeah, Anish, bro, I have replied to your comment in a video itself, but I will go through this. So you see, what I believe is the NEET code 150, right? You should always revise after 15 days because the probability of the question coming in the interview NEET code 150 has the highest. So Anish Sharma, let me know if you are hearing, right? Just to put a yes in the chat. So you have to do two things. Two things are very important. One is topic. Even here I have written revise problems, right? So if you see here in this, you just open this, okay, creator mode. So just open this video and just I can give you a summary as well. That's also fine. So you have to do revision of 150 problems, okay? That should always be there in your mind, right? Maybe spend 30 minutes. And then lead code contest to solve unseen problem. That is very important because if you only solve 100 problems, that's of no use. You have to use different problems also. So that's also important. Let me bring in the YouTube chat so that people can. Mhm. YouTube chat should be on this. Okay, I see this video. Perfect. Bro, you need to make projects then. That is the only way. You have to make projects. You have to make projects. That's the only way then if you are not working. You are given a string, okay. Each each separated by a single word. Determine how many vowels appear in the first word, then reverse each of the following word. Leave all the remaining words unchanged. What sort of problem is this? So first has one, second also has one, so I reverse it and then I reverse it. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, all are lowercase. Cool, bro. That's very easy problem. Easy and annoying problem. So S dot, let's split the S by space, right? I don't know whether this will work or plus. Let's just see. Um, then uh, int vowels in a S, right? So int b is equal to 0. What I will do is for char ch h dot to char array, right? If wow dot contains ch c plus plus return c, right? Now string buffer bf is equal to new string buffer uh, array of 0, right? Okay, that's cool. Now for int I is equal to 1, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Now int vowels count is equal to vowels of array of 0 if bc is equal to vowels of bf. If there are any questions in the chat, I'm going to reply to you. Just give me a second. Once this is done, I will come back and reply to you. Cool. Um, you can read on the right. You can like just to build the trust. So array of 0, array of y, it's same. So I need to reverse it. Bf dot append new. And let's not do it. So string buffer rev is equal to new string buffer. Um, array of I, right? So that gives me, and then rev dot reverse, right? You can reverse it yourself also, but I find it this is easier. Rev dot plus plus rev dot. This should work. Let's just see else. Bf dot append. Uh, let's just see. There could be some issues like the string buffer bf cannot find symbol. Okay, spelling. Wow. Okay. It's set character hs no has set hs dot add a h dot add hs dot add hs dot add. Oh, there is an elegant way of doing this also. You can create an array and then just convert that into a set. That would be elegant way of doing this. My channel's name is elegant, but this is not elegant programming. That's for me. Cool, cool. Hey, I am in third year, tier 3 college. That's okay. You don't have to worry about your college. Anyway, you are in that college, so you cannot control that. Just let me know, Shruti Jha Zo, if you can hear me. Because if you're not here, then there is no point of me talking about your comment, right? Just let me know in the chat if you're still here. Just say hi, thumbs up, everything. Fine. Feel free to like the stream if you find the content helpful. Am I audible? Yes, you are here. Cool. So tier 3 you don't have to worry about. You cannot control that. A lot of people from tier 3 have gone to a lot of good colleges. So completely ignore that. You cannot do anything about it. Tier 2, sorry, you are from tier 2. That's a good college anyway. Right now I'm able to do the mediums. Can you help me with what kind of projects will stand out? I don't think so. People care about your projects. First of all, right? As long as you have not put a to-do application in your resume. So what I could say is that let's say if you have built a chat application, something like WhatsApp, or you have built, you know about WebSockets. Let's say you have built a chat application, right? Now, if you have done that, I would expect you to know about WebSockets, all of these things, right? So the projects could be any web application, uh, apart from to-do, right? Like a to-do app. So I will tell you my projects when I had in college, and I'll tell you the projects that people who now share resume with, right? So like people, my friends in college from tier one IITs and all. So one had live whiteboard. So if you guys are aware of Excel Draw, right? So one had a team project of live whiteboard, right? You guys can try something like that. So that is one idea. It's not very basic. You'll have to do a lot of coding in that. But yeah, you can use some of the YouTube tutorials to build live whiteboard, right? That's a good project. Now even chat application is a good project. I have seen that people do, right? Chat application, that's another project. Now you don't want to have like a student management system kind of projects. Those are very basic. To do application is very basic, right? And so these are two projects that are worth exploring: whiteboard, chat application, and what else? Some sort of DSA visualizer also is worth doing, but it won't pass standalone, right? Any kind of a e-commerce application which has a good use case, that is also worth doing. So did the bento go away? Damn, and someone hacked my bento, is it? Okay, there you go. So that would be my advice to you, Shruti. Yo, yo, yo. Focus more on DSA, like 18 to 1900, because see, uh, like you will be sitting in your on-campus placement, right? In that, you don't have to worry about your resume getting shortlisted. Cool. That's the first thing. Now, in your interviews you will most probably not sure if the companies have changed, but so far as I know, DSA is gonna come up and you are gonna get two questions, right? You should be able to solve that. That should be your first priority, right? So do that first. I see you were doing that, so that's do I need to do system design? Little bit knowledge of system design is not gonna hurt you. I have seen that LLD is coming up in a very nice company. So, for example, Uber at IIT asked LLD like a chess game. So, what I would advise you is that get a very basic understanding, like spend couple of weekends. This is a very good beginner start. You just go through this README, that's it. Anyways, this TCP, UDP, you would already have learned. Just get bit of knowledge, and then when it comes to low level design, you can either buy 500 rupees educative course, which is really good. They have some sort of a New Year sale, but you are in college. Uh, I would go against spending any extra money because you have already paid to your college, right? So that's why I would recommend that you can go through this free course also, or you can explore the free courses of educative also. Let's say if someone is SD1 already earning and all right, then you can go with this plan. This money is coming in Canada dollars because I am not in India. This is my laptop doing this stuff, but you can buy this in India. I think it in India it comes around 500 rupees, right? 500 to 600. But they have a New Year sale, uh, so 50% off on everything. And I personally have gone through two of their courses when I made a switch. This one, I have done this one, and I have done this one. These are very good resources. I can recommend these two. Very, very good. Right? You can get 70% account use. Okay. I have SD2 OA coming up in 3 days. Not sure about the trend, bro. When I gave lead code, sorry, Amazon OA, I got prefix something like that. Prefix plus D. Prefix. DP I have gotten. Greedy, I am not really sure, but graph you should be focused on. But just by lead code 75, if you are appearing for OA, then you are very ambitious. I hope you clear it, but you have to do really more practice and then have a very good lead code contest rating. Why? Because it will prepare you for that. Not because they will see your lead code contest rating, but you'll be prepared for that basically. That's why it is important. Book is SN, banana is healthy. Looks like good only, but let's see. Perfect. Two questions. Hey, how can I get my resume shortlisted? Nice, nice. Bro, you first of all you should apply on campus and make sure resume is clean, right? Make sure your resume is clean. That is important, right? Make sure resume format is decent. That is also important. These things are important. Again, I'm highlighting if you guys are new, just read about this first, right? Before you probably I can add one more thing. All resources Pento slash. Yeah, Harvinder Singh, bro, lot of things changed in last 4 months. Base human, bro, there is no point. You cannot control the calls that you get, but apply every day. If you guys are feeling demotivated, I think so. You need to get a reality check, and that reality check you can find in this video, right? So this I have gotten 100 plus rejections, right? I don't think uh, everyone would have gotten these many rejections, right? Getting 100 Stating 1000 rejection means that you have applied to 1000 companies, right? Be it email, be it career portal. I have applied to career portal, I think, one 100 or 500 directly by going to career portal, right? So 1000 rejections means that, let's just say that it takes 5 minutes. So that is like 5000 minutes of applying, right? So 5000 minute and by 60. So how much does that become? 5000 by 85, right? So roughly let's just say 100 hours, right? So 100 hour by 24, that's 5, right? 4 or 5. So I have applied 4 days. You can just see applying. That's like applying, right? For 4 days. Continuous. Just giving a ballpark, right? So you have to do that, man. It's not like apply to one and you will get a call. So back is still not that good, but yeah, taking a break. Just take, hey brother, what's up? Is location playing yeah, always Bangalore and Hyderabad has a demand, right? Just take see, I'm not a HR, neither I'm a manager, right? So, but I would say it is okay, neither up nor down. Like I'm not actively interviewing, so if I would have been interviewing, I would have idea, but I am not. Waiting for it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Waiting. But I think in January the hiring starts a lot, so it's a good time to switch if you guys are preparing. You are given a circular array. I hate circular array problems where balance is net balance. Okay. In one move, a person can transfer one unit to either left. Okay. Return the minimum number of moves required so that every person has a non-negative balance. Is it like a gas cylinder problem? Feels like a greedy. Basically, people with more money has to give money to this guy, right? In this is -5. Exactly. Non-negative. So is zero non-negative? Yeah, zero is non-negative, right? This guy gives two to this, and this guy gives two to this. So that's four moves. This guy has also to give one money to this. That's basically zero, zero, zero. That's six moves. Mhm. And also total of negative plus positive should be greater than equal to zero. Sum of negative, then only it is. You think, bro, you were also old, right? I remember you. And you were from a good college also. That's okay, man. You is just start applying for more. Start applying for more. Why you are worried? Prepare for DSA. That's okay. I've been doing DSA from 5 years. I took a break now. Let me see how many days after. Damn, that is not cool, brother. See, how long of a break is this? Met close to 1 month. Shit. All my brain cells are dull, probably. Pura Singh, what's up, brother? How are you? So I think just want to ask you guys something. Did you guys get a notification for this video, guys? Yeah, man, I think this in for this video, I think it's my patient is messing up my YouTube. I don't want, but that's okay. Fine. Probably then I'm not hitting 10K by end of this year. I'll still be doing that here only. This is YouTube Canada, YouTube California. Yeah, yeah, Rahul, don't lose hope. Don't do front end, Heisenberg. No point of doing front end. See, why you are not able to find on-campus job? What is the reason? So DSA is also like mental health, right? So DSA is exactly what companies are going to ask you. The DSA, there, it's not DSA or CP. It's always CP is a bigger picture of DSA. Today also someone was asking me the same. DSA is just a subset. Use DSA is a subset of CP. CP is going to take you, if you are doing CP, that doesn't mean that you are not doing DSA. DSA questions will also come within CP, plus more maths. So, my advice you would be to grow in DSA. Like, if you are able to solve first three problems, start solving the next problem also. You will eventually grow. CGPA? What CGPA? Okay. Okay, that the reply? What is not able to find job? Is it CGPA is the reason? Man, I had 9.5 CGPA, which is basically useless. My next video is gonna be that only. Piyush, what is your lead code rating, contest rating? You are thinking of doing a lot of shit, bro. Alright, let's go, brother. Rohit, Rohit, you are also old person, right? Old person, as in I've also seen. No, you don't have to call me sir first. Maybe what was the questions and how did he solve it? You have to give Piyush. Then what is the point, brother? You are not playing the match. Then you are talking about CP. Can you do CP without participating? What, bro? And still you are old person. It feels like that I have not taught you anything or not given you anyway. I don't teach, but still, this is like a bullshit thing to say, brother. That you don't live life. No one in a CP. You are saying that I'm a cricket player, but I don't play match. It's as stupid as that. So you have to do live contests. There's no point. You are a batsman, but you don't play in a match. Yeah, man. What's the point then? Virtual contest is always easy. See, I am giving virtual contest. I am very relaxed. See, that's why. 1100 is like no offense. 1100 is like beginner. No, no, bro. Rahul Kumar, no, bro. No, no. Saurav Kedi, yes, bro. I can do that. Just book. Anyway, my slots are not there. Sangram Singh, bro, 17, 1900 rating is more than good enough, bro. Start giving interviews. Sangram Singh, don't be in a loop. Don't be in a loop that I was. Sangram, you are listening to me. I want you to listen to me because you are exactly in a position that I was in. So let me just put a yes, 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 and then I'll explain. Kumar Singh, no. Kumar Mehul, don't ever resign without offer. See, Sangram, bro, let me show you something. See, this was my profile, okay? And I was also 17, 12, and then I was this much rating, around 1800. By this rating, I was able to clear interviews. And then 2000 I became after I had so many offers, right? So you have a good rating. As long as you are able to solve first 2 to 3 problems fast, you have a very nice rating. Don't worry about lead code contest rating as don't try to achieve perfection. This is the exact thing I'm going to talk about in my next video. If you are new to this, uh, if you're new to my channel, sorry, you would have not seen this video, right? So in this video, I'm talking about the same thing. After grind, the next episode is going to be the myth of being ready. You are stuck in that myth. You are thinking that you are not ready. You are not ready because you need to get that fancy 2000 or you want to become knight because knight is possible at 1850. Don't fall into that trap. That is the exact thing that I'm going to talk about in the next video. See, and I have also seen that people have started copying this format. I've been I've been creating all of those videos using this, but that's good. If people are using my way of teaching, that's good. Who am I to stop them? Okay, Sangram Singh, let me know in chat if you understood what I said. But don't fall in that trap, okay? Get out of that trap. Reach out to me on LinkedIn if you're still. Let's see. Yeah, that's perfect, bro. 33rd question will take 30. That's fine. So basically, in 40 minutes, you are done with the contest, right? And then you're stuck on third. That is totally fine. That you are on a good track. Now revise NEET code 150 and start giving interviews. Your college is good. It's just your brain. Your brain is as stupid as my brain. That's why you are stuck in that loop. Don't stuck in that loop. 1800 rating on lead code contest is very good. Think about people who have never given lead code contest also work at these companies. You are just underestimating yourself, okay? Don't do that. Don't fall into a trap. But I don't have any. You are stupid. Then you have to do LLD and HLD also, right? So DSA, you are good. Stop worrying about your rating. Do 40 to 50 minutes DSA every day so that you stay at that level. If you stop doing DSA, you'll fall from the level. I think give this example every day. Okay, so let me show that. I like drawing, so I will draw. So let's say so this is Sangram, right? Sangram, and this is the graph. Okay. Now you have been doing DSA. Now you are at this level, right? 1800 level. Now if you keep spending 40 minutes, you will stay on this level. But let's say you stopped it for 2 to 3 days, you will slowly fall, right? You will not become better. Just like you can take an example of me. I am not at my peak that I was, right? Because I'll tell you the reason also. It's in front of my eyes only. Uh, See my graph of lead code. See, I am not consistent, but when I was interviewing, this was my graph, right? It works both way. Tool. LLD, HLD you should do, man. Rohit said, bro, don't worry, bro, don't worry. Today only I saw a post, even I commented on it that like everyone faces a rejection. So this is just your first rejection, Rohit said. In future, you will definitely crack that company also. So don't worry about that. Okay, bro. Thanks for the perfect. Do LLD HLD. Okay. If you want any help in LLD HLD, reach out to me on TopMate or LinkedIn. Bro, at least Kumar, bro, that's okay, man. But it is, I would not recommend you, bro. I'm just solving some meeting in lead code. That's good. Nikhil Harivar, you also seems to be old one. Saurav KD, yes, I can do resume review. Yeah, I think I've answered all the questions. Perfect. Should I go on? You should go, brother. If you are stuck in array, feel free to like the stream if you find it helpful. Bro, I don't do daily problems. There is no point. Oh, nice, brother. Yeah, I think I did talk to you. Now I remember when you said you have cracked. I don't remember, to be honest, clearly, but I know that I have talked to you. But that's good, brother. You're already good. You are on a right track. Very, very right track. Proud of you. Congratulations. Hmm. I am in one stack. I am forgetting everything. Feel free to like this. Click on this like button, guys, if you find it helpful. Yeah, I think 14 likes, that's good enough. How does this time work for you guys? Because I'm going on a vacation. Career portal, career portal, career portal, career portal. Rohit bro, इसका answer no one knows. This you have to ask your recruiter only. If I had known this, do you think I would have gotten 1,000 rejections? No one can answer this question. Only God knows it. But as long as your resume should be clean, you can see your resume should be one page, clean format, clean clean info about the projects. By clean, I mean that no errors, it should have proper format, XYZ, all of those things. Right? Need code 150 is must. That you guys should definitely do. After that, there are a lot of things to be done in DS. It's a very vague, open-ended question. Damn, bro, this is a nice question. Person can transfer unit. Is like a greedy. If it is a negative number, I have to make it positive, and I can get stuff from left and right. Those are the two things that I know. So if this is -5, I need to get -5 from left and right. Or right? Whichever is the nearest. But I cannot do I cannot do brute force. Can I do greedy? that let's say if I start with one, okay, I save this one. I start with two, okay, I have a bulk of three, and then I go to no, cannot. So there is some sort of algorithm that is there in this one. God knows what is that algorithm. System design. I did not understand your statement, Rohit said, brother. What do you mean? Yeah, if you're asking me this, it doesn't feel like a question. But if it is a question, then yes, you can easily ask. Dinesh Singh, bro, have some respect and give some respect. Okay. Don't think like you are talking to someone like you. Bro, if I have 2 months to revise DSA, what do you suggest? Any sheets? If you just have 2 months, first you have to do NEET code 150. Revise means that you have already done it before, right? NEET code 150. And then you give contest so that you become better at it. Okay. That is what I would suggest you. Now, in end of when do I get? When you're in third year, brother. In third year, you can get an internship and then you can get a FT for that and then you can go to full time. Good resources for LLD actually. See, bro, if you go to my bento link, in this, there's everything that I've used, right? So these are LLD resources. This is free. This cost you 500 rupees, but it is really good. I have bought this one. And this is HLD. HLD, this is good. They have free and both content. Not that much, bro. It's not important for freshers, but let's say if you have 2 years of experience, then it is very important, right? Then it is very important. Let me know if you guys can hear me all right. I think Dinesh is not able to hear me, or he has a problem if I take a break for 30 seconds. So HLD, these are good, right? These are things that I've gone through. LLD, these are good, right? DSA, this is. Hey brother, hey Saurav. I'm doing it long time after only. Go ahead, brother. I'm here to help. Rohit said, bro, see, you can go through this. Ideally, in the videos that I say, right, those are meant for when how you'll approach it in an interview. But let's say if you have to learn, understand, I would say that read this book, Alex Yu's book. Right, this is Alex Yu's Byte by Byte Goes by Alex Yu. Right, and then you should read this also. This is very beginner. This is easy. Like this is easy friendly. It teaches about IP, DBMS, everything. So this is really nice. So you can start with this, and it is free also. After week, Manish ja, after week you should revise it. So hey, guide me please. I have done only DSA in Java. Should I start development in Java? Yeah, you go with Spring Boot, Shashank Raj. If you are good understanding of Java, go with Spring Boot. It's only that learning curve of Spring Boot is more and learning curve of other languages is less. But let's say if you love Java, you're doing DSA in Java, you can stick with it. No harm in that. Bro, it's like Saurav Kabade, okay, let me give you an example. It's like that you have a cricket match today and you are asking about that should you do practice in nets today. Like you cannot perform a cricket in a cricket match if you have done a practice for years, right? Same goes with DSA. You cannot expect to get a OA link and then prepare after that. But let's say that okay, you are very good in DSA, you have a very good rating on lead code contest and you want to revise, right? So that way I would say that revise graph, DP and all of these, like spend one hour on each. So that is it is there in brain cache, but it is not going to be like that, okay, you have got a OA link and then now you are starting studying DSA. No, no, no. See, there are 12 people listening, right? I'll just tell you this. Every Sunday there is a contest. You guys should have to go to that contest thinking that this is your OA, right? And you have to do that every week. And then if you are short on time, you have to do that every day using the virtual contest. It's as simple as that. Simple. Arya Joshi, yes, I remember your username, brother. Yeah, then give the online test, bro. Then if you are already good with DSA. Rohit, first don't stop DSA, okay? And then you do both LLD and HLD together. Like HLD, I think it will not come at your level as you are in college, right? You do LLD, Rohit Sethi. Yes, it is good. JD Legend, it is good. 17.5 is a good start. Now go to 1800 aim. Go to this website. Go to this website and start solving problems in a 1700. So this is a rating range. Start from 1700, 1800. It is good. Don't underestimate yourself. Feel free to like this video stream if you find. Oh, let's go, brother. First, I've got my first this thing. Did I help you in any way? You don't have to call me sir, first of all. And that's nice, brother. Let me know if I helped you in any way. I think I helped. That's why you gave the money, yeah. Yeah, nice, nice. Bro, if it is not too much to ask, can you drop on any of the comment of the video or yeah, even after this live stream ends, can you just drop a comment, right? So it helps, right? It helps in motivating me as well. If that is not too much to ask, right? I'll take a screenshot as well. Perfect, perfect. Anything else, Arya Joshi, if you have for me? Do best, do deliver more. If you are starting as SD1, always deliver more. Do 20-30% more of what is asked from you, right? That is like, I generally do switch advice, but I got my first promotion in 9 months. So as a SD2, so that's something you guys can also do. It depends on various other factors also. My team was small also, but you should, let's say if I have given you a task, I'm your manager, right? Always have a aim of doing 20% more rather than just meeting the expectation. That will help you in growing in your career, right? That's one advice. If let's say now Arya Joshi, that's like one advice that I can give you, right? So as you're starting the job, always try to do more, right? That if you do that in your company, you will easily get promoted to SD2, given that your company is performing good, all of those, right? There are so many other factors, right? But have that mindset, right? Just don't think that okay, I'll do my part. In 20% you can mentor other people, you can take up more tasks, you can like kind of stretch, right? Those kind of things are important. So now as a SD2, LLD and HLD comes into play, bro. In when you are SD1, you mostly care about DSA and DS fundamentals, right? Now importance of DSA starts decreasing. It's not going to be all the rounds at DSA. Now you are going to get LLD and HLD too. So that's one thing that you should start looking at. Huh? Okay. Your brother Arya Joshi. Thank you so much, brother. Something, Nikhil, bro. I'm thinking of stopping. Bro, no. Why you are stopping DSA, brother? Bro, JD Legend. I have never applied to Y Combinator startup, but bro is Amazon. Not for SD1, I think so. For SD2, they definitely ask both LLD and HLD. Nishant wonder how to revise a concept like I did, then how to revise it. And bro, there is no perfect way, Nishant Pathak. You just have to revise again and again. Hey, hi Piyush, what's up? How are you doing? You don't have to call me sir, brother, first of all. Yes, yes, Rohit Shetty, that's a good plan for you. Do DSA, do DSA, and then do LLD. Just start LLD, right? So, just to give you an example, chess game was asked in one of the interviews. Chess game, I think Uber asked it for LLD one. Oh, Nikhil Tiwari, bro, your wish. You can do whatever you want, bro. I would not recommend stopping DSA because you will lose everything. There is no going hard on DSA. DSA is more about maintaining consistency rather than thinking about I will go all hard. It is more about you have to maintain that consistency in that. That is more important in doing DSA. Anyhow, I am beginner in DSA. You will stay beginner if you don't do, if you stop. That's something that you should understand, brother. Piyush Agarwal, like you are preparing for SD2s, bro, or SD1? How to learn DSA as a beginner, bro? Go ahead and watch this video. This has everything. How to get better at DSA. I've taught each and everything in this video. One of the popular videos. See, in this, I have taught everything that I know by far. Piyush Agarwal, if you're targeting SD1, focus more on DSA, bro. Nikhil Tiwari, yes. Depends on which company. How to think, bro? In C problem, generally there is some data structures involved. Go to this website and solve C. So you see, you'll see C would mostly lie under 1800 to 2000. So you solve C problem from all the previous contest. If you see now, see this is question third, question third, question third. See, all of these question thirds you have to solve. So once you do that, you will get that understanding. This is for you, Parthal. Parth. One more question I was initially. Bro, I would not recommend Harry Joshi Masters. Ishank still waiting for your. Yeah, bro, there is a Shashank trial that involves big learning curve. That's why website it is there in my bento link, bro. This website is there in the bento link. Bento link is in the description, but still let me send that in the chat for you. Okay, gonna end the stream in next 7 minutes. Yeah, Piyush, I really find that's everyone finds interest in HLD, bro. That is the thing. No, no, no. Just watch it for fun, brother, but focus more on DSA. Yes. They are not going to ask you that in SD1 HLD, so it's kind of waste of your time. But maybe in future it is going to help you. So, DSA should be strong, but projects 2 to 3 are good enough. DSA is must, bro. DSA should be strong. My college campus placement drive, not a single company. Bro, it is not about murn or out. They don't care about. They mostly care about whether you know DSA and whether you know computer science fundamentals. Most of the companies, at least that I know in college, they don't hire based on your uh, resume, at least based on your like not resume, based on language. They don't hire. Okay, what time is it in India? 8:20. In Uber, they have started asking LLD, bro. That's what I remember. They have started asking LLD in Uber at least. Okay, cool guys. Have a nice day. Take care. All the very best. Bye.